was in the store and I seen these gumbo mix and I was like, let me get this a try. So I read the box and I seen the stuff that I needed or stuff that I should or want to put in. And I got to work. I already had green bell peppers at the house, so I just decided to use those. And I already had green onions, so I decided to use those. I know other people use other things, but I'm different. I'm gonna do mine the way I want to. It won't like it's whatever. It's gonna be delicious. Trust me, it was good. Then I get to chopping up my tomato. I don't know why I put a tomato in it. It was already at the house, so I'm gonna use it. Now I put the mix inside the water. How it said this was a clickbait because it had rice. I had to add my own rice to it. I put some pepper and onion blend from out the freezer, and I sauteed up all of my vegetables together. When I went to go buy my meat, old girl messed up and gave me a chicken breast, but I'm not tripping because I'm not going to let that stop me. I'm going to cut them up in squares, and yeah. I didn't have the squares too small nor too big, just like a normal 1 by 1 inch square, probably. I don't know. I just got to chopping. Now I have to clean my shrimps. I got the gray ones. Their heads are not on, but they still got skin, so I just have to peel off the skin. Well, that wasn't nothing. Then I get to sauteing up my chicken. Season that up real good because I don't like bland food. That's out. Season that up real good. Saute it up. My peppers are still inside the skillet. Now I'm gonna saute up my onions. I like to use butter and a little bit of water. Saute them up. Gray ones turn pink if you didn't know that when they're cooked. Season them up real good. Yes. Now I'm gonna cut up my sausages. I got chicken hot links because that's what I had at my house already. Cut them up real good. Now add a little oil into my skillet to make it wet and saute up my chicken hot links. Shrimp done. Now everything is in a pot. My rice, my meat, my vegetables, everything. Now we're gonna let that cook and simmer and we're good. Almost ready. Look how thick it is. I'm glad I had rice on hand. I had 1 cup of rice and that's what I added per those 2 boxes of mix. But that mix was straight clickbait and it's all done. I like it. It came out cool.